Ever tried to play Xbox Live but you couldn't find the settings that you need? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Xbox Live settings and get back to gaming. So listen, first you're going to power on your Xbox and go to the main dashboard. Then you're going to click the gear icon to open your settings. Okay? From here, scroll down until you see the account section. So this is where you're going to find all the Xbox Live settings that you need. Next, look for the network option, okay? Under this, you can check if your Xbox is connected to Xbox Live or if there are any issues with the connection. If you're having trouble, you can choose to test the network connection. Then, for customizing your Xbox Live experience, go to the privacy and online safety settings. Here you can set up who can talk to you, see your activity, and you can send your friend requests. So if you need to manage your subscriptions, go to the subscriptions tab where you can check your Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass status. So now that you know where to find your Xbox Live settings, it's time to get your account in top shape. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Ciao.